Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. It is the Crypto Flight Edition, Napoleon Macro speaking. Let's go over a few levels on the chart. On our previous video, we had a back test level that failed miserably. However, the secondary level so far is holding. That's what we're going to explore in this video. I'm going to give you what I think is going to happen in the Bitcoin price. Have we received sell signals? And that's what we're going to explore in a short video. So let's do it, guys. Welcome back, loyal family, if you're new here. We only explore price action. Thanks for sticking around, all my loyal subscribers. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here. So today's March the 5th, 2022, and the current price of Bitcoin, $39,363.90, slightly negative 0.08% for the day. Okay. All right, guys, I kind of intentionally waited till it was a slightly negative day to express my observation here. So the first thing first, I don't think Bitcoin is going any lower within the next 72 hours. This is a 72-hour prediction. The line in the sand for me are going to be daily candles closing above the green line. Okay, the previous level of resistance, which is $38,700. Hopefully you guys remember on the last video. Hopefully we'll link. That was a secondary level, guys. 38.7. It came down to that level. Beautiful. And so far, there has been some buying activity at that level. Will it hold? I don't know, but my prediction is suggesting that it will likely close daily candles above that level. If that happens, then I think the market is simply in preparation to attempt to move higher. How high, one may say? Well, at least 41.5 is what I can see here in the not so distant future. If we have daily candles to continue to maintain support above the previous level of resistance, the green line is 38.7. Yeah, I think we'll get a conservative push to the upside. The 72 hours is suggesting the hold period. Now, I don't know how long it would take for it to actually push up to 41.5. Remember, guys, these are cryptos, so they move. As soon as you snap your fingers, they're like already up like $4,000, right? Or down $4,000 in either direction. But you have my prediction. Let me know what you think is going to happen down in the comment section. And I think that's pretty much the end of the video. So I did explain that. I'll let you guys know whether we have sell signals. We don't have any sell signals. I think we were one of the only YouTube channels who actually outlined a buy range. I'm not sure when we posted the video. It was probably somewhere over here, like January-ish, 20-something-ish. And we outlined these two lines. They have not changed. They have remained the same, 32.3 all the way up to 41.5K. This is a short-term Bitcoin buy range in my portfolio, not your portfolio. Please get a strategy. But my strategy is suggesting there has not been a sell signal. So we will remain to assume that the markets will move higher. And I'm not insuring any Bitcoins until Bitcoin shows me a $55,000 price target. Okay. If it doesn't go up to 55,000, then I'm not interested in insuring any of my positions. Okay. So that's all I have for this video. Again, 38.7. Let's see if we can get some daily candles to hold above that level. Please kindly leave what you think is going to happen down in the comment section, and we can all just kind of figure it out together. So that's my take on it. This triple top is not helping, though. I will say that. I know you guys remember the triple top here that I'm pointing at on the screen. If you're looking at the screen, that triple top doesn't help. But the only thing in my book that can, truly turn things around, we just need a little bit of consolidating, okay? Just a battle between the two parties, guys. Buyers and the sellers, right? Down, follow through level. The sellers have not followed through. Once the sellers follow through, one may say, okay, what is follow through? What does that mean? What are you talking about? We need the sellers, that is. I'm not a seller, not yet, okay? The sellers must close a daily candle below $35,000. One may say, well, why is that so significant? Because on this channel, we only focus on lower lows and lower highs. Hang on, let me pull out my little path here. I'm a little squiggly. Lower lows, lower highs for a downtrend, okay, to verify a downtrend. And, of course, the opposite for an uptrend. But since we're trying to understand if the sellers have a unique setup here, which they kind of do, but I am not convinced until they close a daily candle below $35,000, and that would be considered a new low in terms of the candle's bodies. And that would confirm the downtrend that started at $67,000, because the trend is still making lower lows and lower highs until as of recently here, which we've identified the lowest point in the terms of the candles bodies on the daily candles, $35,000. Sellers still haven't made a new low, guys. So as far as I'm concerned, Bitcoin is in preparation to move higher if $38,700 can hold. I said the same thing like over and over. So that's all I have for you wonderful folks, and that's how we're going to end out the video. Hopefully you enjoyed that. If you don't mind doing me a huge favor before you go by simply leaving an appropriate thumb, I would appreciate it. You can also leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video on the channel. Thank you for your support. If you guys are new, we also explore the infamous 5 throughout the week. You can kindly join us here on this interesting journey, and we'll send that out to you momentarily. Welcome in. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you all for your patience and your time. Remember, always have a strategy before you enter. I'm working super hard behind the scenes over here, guys. I know I don't post as many videos, right? We don't put them out as much, but I'm working really hard behind the scenes on something really special for those who are, who are interested in sticking around with the channel. So stick around for that. And of course, keep that positive energy flowing. We'll talk soon. And bye for now, guys and gals.